Today we are going to know how to find the determinant of a 3 by 3 matrix, and follow me as I work out this problem. It says given that A is 1, 2, 3, 0, 4, 5, 1, 0, 6, find det A, which is just an abbreviation for determinant. So to find the determinant, we are first going to pick a number where we are going to start from. You can start from anywhere, it's up to you, but I usually recommend you start from the first number here because it's usually what? Simple. And we are going to use the cofactor method. So the cofactor method states that if you've got a 3 by 3 matrix, then these are the signs that we assign if you are using the first one. Alright, so if you're using this, if you're starting with the first row, these are the signs that we use. If you are starting from the second row, you use negative, plus, negative. If you are using the third row, we use plus, minus, plus. So whichever you decide to use, take note of those signs. I'm going to use the first one. So what is our first number here? So determinant of A, our first number is 1. So we are going to say how many numbers are remaining if I remove this row and this column. If you remove this row and that column, what do you remain with? You remain with these numbers here. These are the numbers that you remain with. So we are going to remain with 4, 5, 0, and 6. So we go to minus, we go to the second number here, which is 2. So under 2, here's what we're going to do. We are going to remove this, eliminate the second row, so the second column and the first row, because it is in first row, second column. So if you remove the second column and you also eliminate the first row, you remain with this one here and that one there. So 0, 1, 5. These small matrices that I'm writing, they are what we call the cofactor matrices. We have plus, then 3. So now we are going to eliminate the third column and the first row, because that's where 3 is. So if I eliminate this and that, I'll remain with this matrix here, 0, 1, 4, 0. So 0, 1, 4, 0. Why am I putting these like absolute lines? Well, that's a symbol for determinant. So I need to find the determinant inside now a 2 by 2 matrix. How do we determine a determinant of 2 by 2? So it's a 4 times 6. Get what? 24 minus 0 times 5, which is what is 0 minus 2. 6 times 0, 0 minus 1 times 5, you get 5. Plus 3. 0 times 0, 0 minus 1 times 4, 4. So what we get here, gets 1, you get 24. Minus 2, we get negative 5. Plus what? 3, we also get negative 4 here. So then the only thing remaining is to add them together. So we have 24 here. If I multiply, I've got positive 10. I've got negative what? 12. Yeah, that is the thing. And I'm going to get 12 plus 2 plus 10 to give me what? 22. So 22 is the determinant. Let's put up another one. Number 2. All right. Let's say I have matrix B, which is 2, 0, 1, 3, negative 1, 4, 1, 2, and 5. Just find the determinant for this one as well. So we're going to start from there. So we say det of B is equal to, so start from 2. Okay. So we eliminate, because we are starting from this one, we eliminated this. All right, we are going to eliminate this column and the first row. So we eliminate this matrix here. So negative 1, 2, 4, and 5. Remember the signs are plus, minus, plus if you're using the first row. So we'll go to minus 0, right? So what we're going to get here, we are going to eliminate this column, which is this column, and that row. So we remain with 3, 1, 4, 5, 4, 5. Then go to plus 1. So we eliminate this column here and that row. So we remain with this matrix here, which is 3, 1, negative 1, and 2. We now is evaluate 2. Let's find the determinant of this matrix. 5 times negative 1, negative 5, minus 2 times 4, 8. This is just 0. No matter what we get there, it will just be what? 0. You have 1, that will be 6 minus negative 1. So now what are we getting? We are getting 2. Here I'm getting negative what? 13. Here is 0. So I can just say plus 0. And here is just plus. Here just is 6 plus 1. So I'm going to get negative 26 here. And plus what? 7. So the determinant of B, well, should be able to give you what? Negative what? 19, right? As your determinant. So this is how you find the determinant of the 3 by 3 matrix.